welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into a bold combination of size, luxury, and raw performance. This is the 2026 BMW X7 M60i. It's the pinnacle of BMW's SUV lineup, blending high-performance engineering with opulent comfort, cutting-edge tech, and unmistakable road presence. Whether you're a family driver with a taste for thrill or an executive looking for everyday luxury, the X7 M60i delivers an experience like no other. Let's explore everything this powerhouse has to offer. Body panels. The body panels of the 2026 X7 M60i scream authority and precision. With a longer, wider stance and muscular contours, every crease is intentional. The redesigned side profile integrates flush door handles, aerodynamic window lines, and pronounced fender flares that give it a broad-shouldered, athletic posture. BMW uses high-strength steel and aluminum components to reduce weight without sacrificing rigidity. From every angle, this full-size SUV commands attention while maintaining the elegance of a flagship BMW. Headlights. Up front, you'll find BMW's signature split headlight, designating a bold new look for 2026. The upper DRLs are ultra-slim and sleek, acting as an eye-catching visual signature, while the main matrix LED projectors sit lower and deeper in the front fascia. This separation of lighting elements not only gives the X7 a futuristic face but also enhances illumination, with adaptive laser lights available for precise, corner-following beam control. Its design and function in perfect harmony. Taillights. Around the back, the 3D LED taillights now feature sharper horizontal elements with a new inner L-shaped motif. These lights offer faster response times for braking and add a high-tech touch at night. The rear end is subtly resculpted for 2026, integrating the taillights seamlessly into the body with a chrome bridge accent that enhances the vehicle's width. Even the tailgate is motorized and split for practicality. Luxury meets convenience. Grille. The iconic glow kidney grille is larger and more confident than ever. And yes, it lights up. With integrated LED surrounds, it offers a glowing presence at night, turning heads without being overdone. The vertical slats have been thickened and darkened on the M60i, providing a sportier, more aggressive look. Beyond aesthetics, the grille incorporates active air flaps that open to cool the engine or close to reduce drag, balancing power and efficiency. Seats. Step inside, and you're greeted by multi-contour leather seats that blend sport and comfort seamlessly. The front seats come standard with ventilation, heating, and massage functions, while the second-row captain's chairs, optional, are just as luxurious. Even the third row offers adult-friendly legroom and its own climate controls. The available merino leather options and detailed stitching remind you that you're sitting in something special. Dashboard. The dashboard design is sleek, tech-integrated, and minimalistic. A massive curved glass display spans from behind the steering wheel to the center stack, housing both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen. Ambient lighting strips stretch across the dash, with customizable colors and a crystal effect trim that changes its mood depending on driving mode. Every surface is covered in soft touch materials, and real wood or aluminum inlays elevate the luxury feel. Infotainment system. Running on BMW iDrive 9, the infotainment system in the 2026 X7 M60i is fast, fluid, and highly customizable. The 14.9-inch central touchscreen offers everything from gesture control and voice commands to wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Integrated apps like Spotify, weather updates, and navigation with augmented reality guidance ensure you're always connected. Rear seat passengers can enjoy an optional dual-screen entertainment system, complete with streaming and HDMI input. Steering wheel. The M-specific steering wheel is thick-rimmed, leather-wrapped, and designed for both comfort and control. It includes paddle shifters, programmable M1 and M2 drive mode buttons, and haptic feedback controls for infotainment, cruise, and safety systems. Optional steering wheel heating and a new vibration alert system for lane departure round out the functionality. It's not just a wheel, it's a command center. Engine. Under the hood, the X7 M60i houses a beast of 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine developed with BMW M division. This monster delivers 523 horsepower and 553 pounds-to-feet of torque, rocketing this full-size SUV from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. The M-twin suspension, sport differential, and xDrive AWD system make it as agile as it is fast. This is performance you can feel, balanced, raw, and controlled all at once. Hybrid option. The 2026 model integrates 48-volt mild hybrid technology, providing a smooth power boost during acceleration and helping optimize fuel efficiency. It uses an electric motor integrated into the transmission, which not only improves start-stop smoothness but also aids in coasting and regenerative braking. While it's not a full plug-in hybrid, the mild hybrid system keeps emissions lower and improves real-world fuel economy without compromising performance. Airbags. When it comes to safety, the X7 M60i is equipped with an expansive airbag system, including dual front, side impact, front knee, and full-length curtain airbags. In addition, BMW has added rear passenger side airbags for extra protection. The cabin is reinforced with crash-resistant structures, and pre-tension seatbelts further enhance occupant safety in case of a collision. Parking assist. Parking a vehicle this size is made easy with BMW's Parking Assistant Professional. This includes a 360-degree surround view camera, automatic parallel and perpendicular parking, and a unique reverse assist function that memorizes your last 150 feet of forward movement and can retrace it automatically in tight spaces. You also get front and rear collision prevention, automatic emergency braking, and active park distance control to prevent curb damage or fender benders. Price. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2026 BMW X7 M60i starts at approximately $110,000, and with additional packages like Executive, Climate, or Bowers Wilkins Diamond Surround Sound, the price can climb to around $125,000 plus USD. For buyers who crave luxury, size, and high-performance engineering in one flawless package, the X7 M60i delivers value that matches its ambition. And there you have it, BMW's biggest, boldest SUV just got even more powerful, luxurious, and intelligent. The 2026 BMW X7 M60i isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about enjoying every second of the journey with style, comfort, and heart-pounding performance. If you loved this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more automotive deep dives. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments, whether you're comparing it to a Mercedes GLS or an Audi Q8. We're here to help guide your next luxury decision. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive with purpose, park